Hi everyone, in this video, we're taking a look at our top gift ideas for the holidays this year. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. With 2023 coming to a close, it's time to start planning for holiday gifts. Whether you're shopping for stocking stuffers or an impressive main gift, we have many great ideas for all the tea drinkers in your life. At Red Blossom, we offer an extensive line of pre-assembled tasting collections to explore, from our flagship Pinnacle collection to our range of category-specific sets. These gift boxes include curated assortments of our favorite teas paired with guided video tea tastings. For the ultimate gift, our Pinnacle collection includes a sample of each of our rarest red label teas, plus a full set of traditional fine porcelain teaware for the best infusions. Our Essential collection is another great option with a solo tea set and a sample of tea from each category like green, white, oolong, and more. Our Discovery collection is a great choice if you don't require teaware, with a selection of 4 tea styles from light to dark. For tea drinkers who only drink a certain type of tea, we also offer category-specific gifts for every tea style, like our green tea collection, oolong collection, etc. Of course, if you want to choose the teas yourself, all of our tea varieties are available individually as well, starting at the single serving size. Some of our most popular crops this year are our crisp and fresh Alishan Spring, our brand new Lishan Winter, our fruity and floral Osmanthus Oolong, our toasted and mellow dark roast Tieguanyin, our complex and fruity Alfu Ho, our smooth and chocolatey Jingjun Mei, our rich and earthy Lingcang Shou Pu'er 2012, and our uniquely refreshing Lishan Matcha ground in-house from High Mountain Taiwanese Oolong. For tea drinkers who already have it all, nothing is more thoughtful than a gift from our range of handcrafted teaware, such as our YIXING clay teapots or our Song collection celadons, handcrafted by master ceramicist Xu Dejia and his son Xu Chuntian in Taiwan. Our new cerulean tea set is another great gift idea, including a teapot and 4 teacups, and crafted in Japan with a stunning blue glaze. Finally, if you're just looking for a simple stocking stuffer, you'll find several great ideas in our range of tea accessories. Some options include our biodegradable tea sachets, our helpful digital tea scale and tea dish for weighing tea leaves, and our elegant stainless steel leaf strainer. We offer complimentary shipping within the contiguous US for orders over $75 and to Alaska and Hawaii on orders over $125. We also offer shipping to several international destinations. Since the holidays are the busiest time of the year for couriers like UPS and USPS, we encourage you to shop early to avoid late deliveries. For all of our holiday shipping deadlines, please check our shipping policy online. To learn more about our range of gift options, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.